Your brand is far more than just a logo or a catchy tagline. It's the heartbeat of your business, the story that resonates with your audience, and the promise you make to every customer. Sometimes, that story needs to evolve, adapt, or completely transform to meet changing market demands. At Vikilinks, we specialize in crafting brand positions that don't just occupy market space, they own it. Our brand positioning and rebranding strategy begins with a deep dive into your brand's essence. We uncover what makes your business uniquely valuable, what drives your customers' loyalty, and where your brand can claim territory that competitors haven't touched. Our strategic approach combines art and science. Through advanced market analysis tools and creative workshops, we help you discover your brand's true north. We analyze every touchpoint where your brand meets your audience, from your visual identity to your customer service approach, from your social media voice to your product packaging. But positioning isn't just about where you stand, it's about where you're heading. We create comprehensive rebranding strategies that honor your brand's heritage while propelling it into the future. This includes developing new visual identities, crafting compelling brand narratives, and designing implementation roadmaps that ensure smooth transitions. What sets our approach apart is our focus on sustainable positioning. We don't chase fleeting trends. Instead, we build brand positions that can weather market changes while remaining authentically you. Our team works closely with yours to ensure every element of your new brand position resonates with both your internal team and your target audience. Your brand deserves to stand out in the crowded marketplace. Take the first step toward defining your unique space in the market. Reach out for your complimentary brand assessment session now.